is planned to be constructed in two phases. The construction scale of the first phase is 12 wind turbines with a capacity of more than 16 megawatts and an installed capacity of 200,000 kilowatts, which is scheduled to be grid connected by the end of 2025. The second phase, to be put into operation by the end of 2027, will add another 800,000 kilowatts of capacity. When completed, it is set to generate more than 4 billion kilowatt hours of clean electricity per year.
So far, floating offshore wind power projects around the world are still at the research stage. In China, it has not been formally developed in a commercial way, so this project we launched is the first one. Wanning is a place with the best floating offshore wind power resources in China, so we choose the year for the project.
The floating offshore wind power project can drive the whole wind power industrial chain and accelerate the development of the industry.
As one of the key projects of the 14th five-year plan period 2021 to 2025, it is required to be in line with carbon peak and carbon neutrality goals, as well as Hainan's requirements of building a new energy system. It will involve developments of domestically made technology systems for high-capacity floating wind power projects that can be used to promote the upgrading of the offshore wind power industry in other parts of China.